Hello guys, today I just wanted to show a quick fun little game I made. I've long been interested in like the prospect of how AI, LLMs and image generation can be used not to make games but a part of games. So I tried this idea where I wanted instead of having like deterministic procedural generation based on random number generation like you have in games such as Minecraft, I wanted like intelligent procedural generation. So I made this small demo called the AI spell merger, where you grab different spells, and then you have here I have a spell of Conjur, Small Flame, and Gust of Wind. All right, which is it's like that, and then I forge them together. So each spell has an image and a description, and then when you merge them, you make an LLM combine these things, and then generate a new image based on that. So right now there's still a bit of a problem with like the timing aspect of it. I would say it takes around 10 to 15 seconds to generate a new spell. So here we have new image, totally new image, Kindling Zephyr. You conjure a living ember that hovers at your fingertips, then summon a swift focus gust to carry it whenever you will. So then you can of course continue to merge spells together, and you can open new packs to get new basic spells. So these are like hard-coded spells, but every time can take the thing we had here and then maybe try to add the another gust of wind to it, and then we get Ember Wind Beacon. And another fun aspect I tried to add to this was I had this idea that one thing is generating new content, but using LLMs to judge the outcome. So instead of all these spells having stats and something that could determine their usefulness, they just have a pure semantic description. And when you want to use them, here you use them on a quest. So I have this quest, a zombie of evilness, a slow moving but persistent zombie is wandering towards the village. Looks quite evil. I have to defeat it. So I have the primary objective of defeating it. I choose the cool spell we just created and then do the attempt. And again, here we had some wait time. I think this is probably one of the main aspects of why like real-time LLM agents would it worked, would not like have a big effect on the gaming industry yet. So here we have the initial scene, and then we have an edited version of this, the visual aftermath of using this. You have the what happens, and then we dismiss the verdict. So then you unlock new quests. We have the Door of Annoyingness. And another thing I added, it's locked for later, but I have this, we can unlock the invent. Unlock the inventor. Then we can invent a new spell. So I made this where you can invent a new spell where it costs per character, just to say I can invent or maybe I have to get more money. I can see I have this debug thing where I can add 500 gold. Create dog. And then because I use some 10 characters, I spent some extra cash on that. Bring that to life, and then creates this spell. So I can use that to merge stuff. So this was never meant to be like a real game, kind of, but just to showcase this how to use AI intelligently to make game more non-deterministic. And then it creates the image, and then once you create more, you will get more things in the registry, open more packs, create more money, and then of course, when you recreate a spell you've already created, then you create that from new. So like the registry will be populated for each playthrough. So now enchant feelings and generate some water, or like control water, see what that will create. Murmur of the Tide, great. And then you see creating that again with water and feelings, enchant feelings will make it. And it's also added to the registry where we can see all the things we have create. Dog, yeah, I think that's so. So that's it. I think it's quite cool. I hope if this gets some traction, I might try to get a live version of it. But then we run into like the next thing of why LLMs in video games might be a bit weird. This is all based on like token-based usage. So I chose cheap open source models, but still like a playthrough cost money. It's not just running on your own GPU. This is running on like on cloud APIs. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it.